Welcome to our at-home workout, day 6. Let's move because it's going to make us live longer and live a lot happier. Let's just get moving. A little bit of a leg swing, back and forth. Bring real presence into this. Like every workout, we're going to build consistency and discipline, prove to ourselves that we can show up, take care of ourselves. We're going to balance mobility, strength. It's all there. But honestly, when we move, when we work out, we exercise, it increases the likelihood that we're going to live a long, healthy life exponentially. Find a nice flow here. Get that leg up as high as you can. Just want to warm up the body. I muck about talking, we're going to build strength and balance, and these things they're brilliant, and they're going to happen as we move. But honestly, by moving our bodies and exercising, it is the elixir to life. This is how we live happy, long lives. We've got to move these brilliant bodies as often as we can. Let's just twist. I'm going with a wide base today. Again, you always modify, do what's best for you. Keep your elbows up if you can. So we can build some strength in the upper body as well as getting a nice stretch. This 10-minute or so workout, use it as a catalyst to keep moving throughout your day. People that exercise for 150 minutes a day reduce cardiovascular disease. They live longer. The statistics are overwhelming. So if we're doing this every day for a week, I usually go over 10 minutes, right? So that's more than 70 minutes. That's nearly half. You get out for an evening walk, take the stairs, we can tack on and get to that 150 minutes a week so easily. I think that's a real low number. Maybe we can start with that, but we want to aim much, much higher. Come with me. Nice base, and let's just come up onto our tippy toes. Real presence, building strength in the calves. And the higher up on your tippy toes you get, the more balance also. I was just pouring through the numbers and just made me think, what are we doing here? Movement is the foundation of our health. And that's the idea of these quick morning workouts, just to get us started so that we find moments to move throughout the day as well. And when we can do it with a little bit more strength, a little bit more ease, then everything that we do is just that much better and we're that much happier. A couple more here. Ooh, let's hold it. Hold it for as long as you can. Stay up on your tippy toes. Just shake it out a bit. Shake, shake, shake. Tell me in the comments what you're going to do today. What other exercise? What other movement? Let's do a lunge. Okay, this can look differently for everybody, but find a flow and do your best. And again, if maybe you're just taking a step and back, no problem. Somebody in our community is always commenting that they're doing the workout And then going shoveling the driveway of snow. How amazing is that? There's some incredible movement. See, this is functional movement. It's just so we can do the things that we need to with more ease. I want to talk about freedom. That's freedom to me. When you can go shovel the driveway and feel good doing it. You can climb the stairs, carry your groceries home. Keep going. Ooh, balance, strength, yes. Last one. Let's twist again. Engage your core, hands together. So this seated is a great move. Russian twist. If I put my feet together, actually, yeah. People that exercise can add up to something like 7 years of life. And it's not the number I think is important. Like living long, I don't think is the goal. Living well is. So my guess is those last 7 years for people that are physically active are good years, as opposed to years when we're sick in hospitals. Talk about living in hell. Let's create a heaven on earth with simple movement. What a difference that can make to the end of our lives. Enjoy those last 7 years as opposed to being in pain and suffering. Shake that out. Okay, run with me. And if you can, if you're just going for a run, that's great. But I'm gonna out in a little squat. Run, strengthen the legs. That's our pump. Squat. Bring all your focus, all your attention into this. We're almost done today. Get the heart rate up. Get the endorphins flowing. Two more, come on. Yeah. Shake it out. Get out for your 30-minute walk today, 10 minutes, whatever it is. Add more, add more. Always take the stairs. Find other ways to move. Include other people. Go for walks together. Mwah, amazing. All right, let's bring a moment of presence. Just be still. And just bring all your presence into this moment. Watch the mind wander, and then just bring it back. Just be here now. Tingling in the body. Feel the sensations for everything that you've done. All the good vibes you've created. Shake it out. I could get lost there. Be here all day like that. Get out and be more active today. Find other things you can do to move your body so that we can live as long and as happy as possible. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, bring some canvas bags. Get some bags prepared. We're actually with some things that you can put in them. Bags of carrots, bags of potato, apples. We're gonna carry some stuff to get real functional fitness so we can be great and good at carrying our groceries. We're gonna add on a little bit of strength training tomorrow. Be prepared, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.